Do you want to change work address on Google Maps? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Changing work address on Google Maps on smartphones. Open the Google Maps app. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on Saved at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to the Your List section and tap on Labeled. Tap on the work label. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon next to your current work address and select Remove Work. Then set a new work address. Drag the work icon to the new location on the map and tap on Save to update your work address. Method 2. Changing work address on Google Maps on desktop. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Maps. Log into your Google account if you aren't already. Click on the hamburger menu or three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Saved from the menu, then click on Labeled to find your current work address. Click on the three-dot menu next to your work address and select Remove Address. Click on the three-dot menu again and choose Set Your Work Address. Enter your new address in the search bar and select it from the suggestions. Click on Save to finalize the change. And there you have it, the way to change work address on Google Maps. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.